Hey guys, so we're on our way to Middle Creek, which is just outside 1770. I'm chilling in the passenger seat, Beck's driving, and then the little fella's in the back under all the blankets somewhere. I can't see him. There he is. Enjoy the show. Guys, look at this. We've just arrived at friggin' Middle Creek camp area. It's just outside 1770. I'll swing the camera around. Look at this. Camping on the water. How nice. Yeah, baby. Man, people need to get off the couch and live, eh? Seriously. This is in our backyard. Oh my god. Water. Camp's just there. Boat ramp's just there. Happy days. I'm a happy man. So Lachlan.
What?
What do you think? Pretty cool spot?
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to?
Playing Roblox.
Roblox? We're camping and you want to play with toys.
Yeah.
What about the paddleboard or jet ski?
Maybe later.
Ready?
Set, go! Like this. Yeah, drink.
I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around so little, and we keep track of time, being so serious, idiots, thinking it will matter, keep me company downtown before the clock runs out. Sun is shining but the rain is welcome too. Friends are nearby, don't need another view. Time is not on my mind, but then it's here. Oh, I love it when the love comes around. And then I remember all things must pass, but I'm not gonna wake up, I'm not ready.
Morning guys. So night one of Middle Creek camping ground went great. Word of advice, bring some Aerogard, or you're going to regret it. But apart from that, it's been a good night. Yeah, so we're going to jump on the paddle boards for a little while this morning and have a bit of a paddle around the water until the tide turns, because at the moment it's just coming into low. And then later on this afternoon we'll cross the bar and go explore the island just behind me here. Just around all there. Apparently there's a little inlet further up just after you cross the bar, and it's got grave sites and a lighthouse and stuff, so that's pretty cool. And then the next inlet's the coral reef, which will be even better. I can jump in and get some footage underwater. So me and the young fella are just checking on the ski at the moment. Keeps beaching itself, but yeah, enjoy day 2. Peace. Alright, so we just arrived on this little tidal island, middle of the friggin' middle of the creek. Camp's just there, and there's that island we're going to go explore later. Let's have a look. It's pretty cool. See what we can see. Have a look at this, guys. See if I can sneak up on him. Some of the birds. Try and sneak up. This is when I need the drone. He's out of here. He doesn't want a piece of me. There's 2 of them. Some little chicks running around too when I first got on here. Must be mum and dad. See if I can get up a bit closer. Hopefully they don't attack me. Attack birds. Nah, they're out of here. Don't want a piece of me. Shit happens. Hey man, what do you reckon? Pretty cool, huh? Thanks, bud. You having fun?
Yeah. So, what for you to do? You drink?
Where you are?
Yeah.
Did you enjoy the paddle over?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Took us a long way.
Took us a long way.
Yep. You keep running off and not saying you wanted to drink.
Oh, I didn't hear you.
Next time, don't walk in this again. This is too scary.
It's a bit soft, isn't it?
And very hard. Our feet's all the way going down.
I know.
Gave him his drink. He wanted to go from here. Hey, let's go. What?
There's no sudden movements.
We got that, baby. Whoa! Hey, why are you pushing my paddle forward? Why was you pushing Daddy's? No. Oh, that's not very nice.
So if you know the song, sing it.
Look at this place. Like, what the hell? There is not a single soul as far as the eye can see. Now, being a bit further north than I'm used to, it makes me wonder if maybe there's stingers, crocs or something. Or I'm just being paranoid, but this is crazy. Not a single soul to be seen. Little man's over there exploring and stuff. The mighty Ultra LX and salt water. Now, this is amazing. And that water, it's just so clear. But anyway, some people really need to fuel up, get the kids and go explore. 1770 is pretty mad. Peace guys, see you soon. You're the lifeguard.
I'm gonna go get your rushie and come in.
Can you get your rushie and come in, man?
No, I'm being the lifeguard.
Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, I would let you know through vibrations of me. Wouldn't let you go if you left me. Wouldn't let you go if we're standing miles apart. I'd be a domino, you would feel my flow on the ground beneath you.